Hello folks, welcome back to the FinOne Learning Journey series. In this series, we guide you through the features of FinOne and how to use them effectively. Today, we are diving into how to create and manage a sale invoice in FinOne app. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Income and Collection option from the menu bar. Click on Add or View Invoice. Then select the form to create a new one. Once the form is open, you will see options on the right-hand side to add details to your sales invoice. Select the necessary fields. Next, select the customer details by searching for the customer name or choosing from the list using the arrow button next to the customer details. Or you can simply provide the customer GSTIN and all the customer information will be fetched from the government portal. Here the document type will be automatically be set as invoice. If you are creating a credit note or a debit note, you can select the appropriate document type here. Accordingly, the document number will automatically change. Then select the PO or contract number if there is any purchase order created for this client. Here, you can link that particular PO to the invoice. The linked PO amount will be reduced automatically according to the invoice value. Similarly, by creating a credit note, the amount will be added to the PO balance. And vice versa in the case of debit note. To learn more about purchase orders or linking a PO with invoice, check out our How to Create a Purchase Order video. As we selected the item data field earlier, now we need to fill in the item details. You can use the Quick Add option to add a new item. Or you can simply select item from list. In case you want the same item's details from the previous invoice, you can simply copy item details while creating a new one. Here, you can provide custom field values from items, such as product serial number, color, size, etc. These fields are enabled from the inventory section. To learn more about adding custom fields to your items, watch our How to Add and Manage Inventory video. Click on the Add Item button to add multiple line items. In the Ship to Details field, provide the shipping address of the customer. Similarly, provide the customer GSTIN and all the other details will be automatically fetched. Or else you can fill in the details one by one. To print any additional information on the invoice, enter the specific details in the Custom Field section. If you want to include this information but don't want to display it on the printed invoice, just deselect the checkbox. You can create multiple custom fields for your invoice by clicking Add Field. Now, scroll down to the Invoice Summary section to see the total invoice value and payment options. If there is any advance payment done by the customer, you can adjust it here. Click on the plus Advance Adjust. Provide the adjust amount, then click on Save. If the payment is already made, click on Plus Payment to provide the payments details such as amount, mode, and bank account. Click on Save to save the payment details. You can also select multiple payment modes, and for each payment, you can select multiple deductions in a single invoice. This gives flexibility in payment process. Additionally, we have an option for payment QR code. where you can show the QR code in the printed invoice to collect the payment from the customer. To know more about this feature, visit our settings video. If the invoice is on credit, select the payment due date from here and click on Save Invoice to save it. You can also save the invoice as a draft with or without the invoice number. To edit a draft invoice, go to the draft option, click on this 3 dot and select Edit Draft. To cancel an invoice, click on the 3 dots next to the invoice. Select the Cancel Invoice option. Choose the reason of cancellation, provide remarks and click on Cancel Invoice. Apart from cancellation, you can make a copy of particular invoice in case of same customer or similar invoice details. To print an invoice, you can download it in PDF format from here. Then print it out. To download the invoices in bulk, select the invoices from the checkboxes and click on Bulk Download button available on the right-hand side corner. And you can download the data in PDF format. You can also export the invoices by clicking on the Export CSV button. Here you can select all, or if you want to export any particular details, you can select the fields and click on Submit to export the data. After creating an invoice, you can share it via WhatsApp and email directly to your clients. At the top, you will have 3 different tabs to view all your active, cancelled, and drafted invoices. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel for more tutorial and updates on FinnOne. If you have any question about invoicing, let us know in the comment section below. Happy invoicing! See you in our next video.